Top 5 animals that are at the verge of extinction. Ever wondered how life would be if there were no animals on this planet? Well, life wouldn't be the same because animals may seem insignificant or very dangerous to human beings. But each one of these animals plays a very crucial role in the ecological system. Number 5. Amur leopard. There are only 35 Amur leopards existing in the world today because many of them have been lost mainly due to illegal poaching and habitat loss. Amurs live in the northern parts of China and Russia in the Far East. This leopard lives a very self-contained life. They are also adamant and very fast. The biggest danger to the Amur leopard is illegal poaching since their fur is exquisite and spotted coat which makes it very expensive and can cost up to $1,000. An organization consisting of Russian and 15 international NGOs has been formed to support the protection of the Amur leopard. It is known as the Amur Leopard and Tiger Alliance. And it collects money raised by the international zoo community, corporate and public sponsors for implementing organizations that are working to save these magnificent and vulnerable animals. Number 4. Sumatran orangutan. It is one of the 2 species of orangutan, which is found in Indonesia on the island of Sumatra. Only 8 orangutans that are presently kept in quarantine cages at the Sumatran Orangutan Conservation Program at the quarantine center are remaining because they require long-time care due to disability and health-related issues, and they can therefore not be released into the wild just yet. The greatest threat for the orangutan is the extensive destruction of the Sumatran rainforest by human activities such as logging, mining, construction of roads, and it is also cleared to provide land for farming, which has made them easy targets for poaching because their population is left isolated and fragmented. Number 3. Sorolla. They were discovered just the other day in the year 1992. And they are already on the edge of being extinct, with populations predictable to be as low as only a few dozen. They are being threatened mainly by habitat loss and hunting. Sorolla look like antelopes with 2 black horns that are long and smooth that are parallel and are curved backward a little. The horns can grow up to 50 centimeters long. They have white patches on the cheeks, lips and the chin. They exist in Vietnam and Laos. Number 2. South China tiger. It is also known as the Amoy, found in the forests of South China. Its size is smaller than other sorts of the tiger. It is the most critically threatened cat. Only approximately 30 to 50 of them remaining. China hunts it at a very high rate, which has become the greatest threat to wiping them out of the face of Earth. To help save this tiger today, the WWF is planning to introduce captive-bred tigers into the forests. Number 1. Hawksbill turtle. They have pointed and narrow beaks with a distinctive shape of overlapping scales on the shell that form a saw-like look on the edges, thus making them precious in the markets. They are found primarily all over the tropical oceans, mostly in coral reefs. The primary threat to these magnificent creatures is the unintended internment in fishing nets and overexploitation by humans because of their beautiful shell and their meat. Also, their eggs are a delicacy to many people.